Hi, in this post I will show you how to forward someone post in an application called Bluesky. If you want to forward someone post, repost it, you gotta pick post that you want to repost. I will repost this post and then click this icon. Now you have two options: repost, that will normally repost your post, or quote post, and this gives you chance to comment it. As you see, I can write my opinion about it or something. And when you're ready, just click post. As you see, my repost with my comment now is active. When you want to delete your repost, you will do it like normal post. You just click these dots and click delete post and confirm. As you see, our repost is deleted. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe channel. Bye.